They're sleeping.
What? What the fuck?
Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone is doing great out there. I know I'm doing pretty good. I hope you all too. Got a little bit of an unpackaging here today, something I've been waiting for to kind of complete the, so I can get that thing clear coated now. So I'm going to open this, but I got to be very careful of where and how I open it because I'm not too sure how big or how small this is. So I'm going to go right on the edge of the seam. Let's see what we got going on over here. Alright, that's all of that. Got a little envelope here. Alright, so this is something that I've been waiting for, and it's going to help me complete this body so I can get it clear coated. And I got a couple of extras here. So I got to thank Jeff from Diamond Cut Graphics USA once again for helping me out with this. And now I paid for these, so they weren't free. So, you know, just like everybody other customer, you know, you pay for the services that you're getting from somebody else. So, you know, I paid for these guys. I didn't get them for free, but I got these guys for free. And what it is here is a couple of baby hummingbirds and the wind blower again, which is cool. I like that. So I got plans for this stuff for something else, possibly later on. So I need to put them off to the side. I like these little bags that he puts these things in. He seals them up. Nice. So again, Diamond Cut Graphics USA on eBay. Or you can go to his website. So what do I have planned for these guys? Well, I've got a mixture of left and a mixture of right. And there are three colors here. I got the silver, I got a black, and I got an orange. All right, so what I want to do is kind of like, I'm going to experiment with these a little bit. Now, I'm not too sure, like, should I have a silver wing, silver tail, silver beak, black body with some orange accents in the body? You know, something like that. I'm going to try to incorporate these three into this body here. So what I got going on with the body itself, well, all the screws are going to be chrome. All right, then you have your frets here that are going to be silver polished up to be somewhat of a chrome as well. So I'm going to kind of do this in a way where I got the silver, all the screws, which would be small amount of silver from the Hummingbird, the orange, the black with the striping, some black with the striping. So it's going to match. Oh wow, how did I do that? I ended up stacking these the same way as the other ones are stacked. Huh, pretty cool. But now, a word from
subscribe button.
Alright, so what I've got going on over here is I have two of the hummingbirds, the one in black and the one in orange, and I'm going to start to separate so I can end up layering these later on when I put them on the body. So right now what I want to do is I want to separate the wings and the tail from the body. So how I'm going to do this is very, very simple. I'm going to end up taking this and just following the body right here. Bring some, I'm going to make sure this is real tight because I don't want it to move. Following the body right here, putting some deep pressure on it. I'm going to cut a little bit of a curve in the tail. Alright, so what I want to do is remove the beak, and I want to remove some of the belly part of this. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the beak. I should be wearing my glasses, that's what I should be doing. Alright, so you kind of see how I did this. There's more black, there's more orange on this guitar than there is silver. So I utilized a little bit for the beak, for the silver, and that'll go with basically, everything else that's smaller on the guitar that has a silver accent to it. So that's it. I'm done for now. Tomorrow, hopefully, this thing will get clear coated and that'll set up, and I can wet sand and buff.